Wake up your AI brain. Today we've got a major GPT-4o behavior U-turn, a council on chip export controls, and new meta safeguards for open-source models. Let's get into today's AI news today. OpenAI rolled back its latest GPT-4o update after users noticed the model turning suspiciously agreeable. Instead of pushy positivity, they're dialing back personalization and over-enthusiasm, recruiting feedback loops to fine-tune how the model adapts to your tone. So expect a more balanced GPT experience in the coming days. Anthropic just threw its weight behind stricter export controls on AI chips, arguing that America's compute lead is a national security asset. They're working with policymakers to define which high-end GPUs need licensing, aiming to slow adversaries while preserving innovation. Think of it as digital arms control for the AI age. Meta's new protection tools for AI bring privacy-preserving sandboxes and real-time threat detectors to open-source model deployments. With homomorphic encryption and anomaly detection agents, devs can now run experimental models without risking data leaks or adversarial hijacks, critical for startups and research labs alike. If you're drowning in data, Meta's Understanding Data at Scale blueprint is a must-read. They've embedded privacy tags at data ingest, built a unified taxonomy across compliance teams, and automated policy checks so engineers spend less time in spreadsheets and more time innovating. Designers, take note. Researchers taught LLMs to output solid CAD models from plain English. By integrating symbolic geometry checks during training, they cut shape error rates by 70%. So next time you need a perfectly dimensioned bracket, just describe it to your AI assistant. Music licensing just hit a bureaucracy snag. MCPs, multi-circ licensing panels, are dragging indie creators through opaque approval processes. Experts are calling for streamlined digital licensing platforms that auto-verify rights and cut turnaround from weeks to minutes. Imagine your next track getting cleared in real time. In global health, Google's new LLM benchmark uses synthetic patient personas to stress test models on diagnosing tropical diseases. It simulates everything from malarial fevers to parasitic infections, revealing gaps in cultural context understanding and pushing devs to fine-tune on real-world clinical dialogue. Want to tweak your AI's logic on the fly? A fresh study shows you can modulate reasoning by injecting control vectors into the residual stream. By nudging specific layers, you can balance creative leaps versus fact-checking, giving you a dial for imaginative versus precise outputs. For litter annotation, Salt offers semi-automatic labeling with zero-shot adaptability across sensors and scenes. It fuses geometric priors with lightweight neural nets, so you can label 4D point clouds in a fraction of the time, perfect for autonomous vehicle pipelines. Over on the miscellany front, Hugging Face's Mega Math dataset just hit 300 billion tokens of curated problems, fueling next-gen reasoning models. Perplexity's CEO is plotting an AI browser war with Google, betting that smarter search agents will win hearts and tabs by 2026. And if you thought visual privacy was safe, think again. New models are geo-guessing your location from grainy image cues with over 80% accuracy. That means a rooftop selfie could reveal your neighborhood heat map. Time to rethink what you post. Before we wrap up, Google rolled out Gemini image editing in Gmail and launched AI overviews on YouTube. Because AI summaries of AI tools are the meta future we all deserve. If today's news blew your mind, hit like, subscribe for daily AI updates, and ring the bell so you never miss a breakthrough. Drop a comment with your top story, and I'll see you tomorrow.